Welcome. In today's guide, I'll show you step by step how to allow your contacts to see your date of birth in the Telegram app on your PC after the latest update. If you want your friends and family to remember your special day, adjusting this setting is quick and simple. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once the app is running, look at the top left corner of the window. You'll notice 3 small horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Click on those lines to open the main menu. From here, scroll down until you find the option labeled Settings. Give it a click, and you'll be taken to a new page where you can manage everything related to your account. Inside the Settings menu, look for Privacy and Security. This is where Telegram keeps all the tools that give you control over what others can see about your profile. Click it to enter. Now, within Privacy and Security, scroll until you find the section called Date of Birth. Telegram recently added this setting to make it easier to control who can view your birthday. Click on Date of Birth and you'll see several options for visibility. By default, it might be set to nobody or everybody, but since we want only your contacts to see it, choose the option that says My Contacts. After making your choice, don't forget to save the changes. Look for the Save button, click it, and you're all set. Your date of birth will now be visible only to the people saved in your contacts list, while anyone outside your contacts won't have access to this personal detail. That's all it takes. It's a small adjustment, but it makes your account more personal and helps your close connections celebrate with you, while still keeping your privacy safe. Be sure to explore the rest of the privacy and security settings as well to fully customize how you appear on Telegram. Thanks for following along, or